Welcome back to Outside Our Planet. Let's test your space knowledge. Are you ready? Here we go. How many planets are in our solar system? 8, 9, 10. 8. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Jupiter, Venus. Mars. Its surface contains iron oxide, which gives it a rusty color. 3. What is the closest star to Earth? The Sun, Proxima Centauri, Sirius. The Sun. It provides the light and heat that makes life possible. 4. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter, Neptune, Earth. Jupiter. It's so big that 1,300 Earths could fit inside. 5. What do we call a star explosion? Supernova, aurora, comet. Supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe. 6. Which planet has the most recognizable rings? Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. Saturn. Its rings are made mostly of ice and dust. 7. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth? 8 minutes, 8 seconds, 8 hours. 8 minutes. We always see the sun as it was a few minutes ago. 8. Which galaxy do we live in? Milky Way, Andromeda, Sombrero. Milky Way, our home among billions of stars. 9. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus, Venus, Mars. Uranus, tilted almost 98 degrees, likely from a giant collision. 10. Which planet is the hottest? Venus, Mercury, Mars. Venus. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. 11. What force keeps planets orbiting the Sun? Gravity, wind, magnetism. Gravity, the invisible force that shapes the universe. 12. What are constellations? Star patterns, space dust, comets. Star patterns. Ancient cultures used them for navigation and storytelling. 13. What is the Latin name for our moon? Luna, Selene, Titan. Lunar, which is why we use terms like lunar eclipse and lunar landing. 14. What is a protostar? A baby star, a dying star, a supernova remnant. A baby star, forming inside nebular clouds of dust and gas. 15. Where is the largest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons, Mars, Mauna Loa, Earth, Maxwell Montes, Venus. Olympus Mons, nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. 16. Which planet is called the blue planet? Earth, Neptune, Uranus. Earth, because 70% of the surface is covered in water. 17. What do we call it when the moon blocks the sun? Solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, new moon. Solar eclipse. Daylight briefly turns to darkness. 18. Which object has gravity so strong that light cannot escape? Black hole, neutron star, comet. Black hole, formed when a massive star collapses. 19. What is the galaxy closest to the Milky Way? Andromeda, Triangulum, Sculptor and Andromeda. And in billions of years, the two galaxies will merge. 20. What do astronauts use to breathe in space? Oxygen tanks, space air, solar air. Oxygen tanks, because space contains no breathable air. 21. Which planet has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot? Jupiter, Mars, Neptune. Jupiter. The storm is larger than Earth and centuries old. 22. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Neptune, Venus, Mercury. Neptune. Winds can reach 1,300 miles per hour. 23. Where do comets mostly come from? The Oort cloud, the asteroid belt, Mars's orbit. The Oort cloud, a distant icy shell around the solar system. 24. Which planet has a hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole? Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. Saturn. The storm is so large Earth could fit inside it. 25. What is the main element in the Sun? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Hydrogen. It fuels nuclear fusion, releasing energy as light. 26. Which planet has seasons similar to Earth? Mars, Mercury, Neptune. Mars, its tilt causes longer but familiar seasonal cycles. 27. A galaxy like the Milky Way with swirling arms is called a spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, ring galaxy. Spiral galaxy, with bright central cores and extended arms. 28. Which planet currently has the most known moons? Saturn, Earth, Venus. Saturn, with 82 confirmed moons. 29. What is the brightest star in the night sky? Sirius, Polaris, Vega. Sirius, extremely luminous and relatively close to Earth. 30. Which galaxy is the Milky Way moving toward? Andromeda, Sombrero, Whirlpool. Andromeda, the two galaxies will eventually merge into one. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more space adventures. Tell me in the comments, how many questions did you get right?